All right, so now you need this paper. And we are going to come up with our fact family based off of your double flap card that you made. And I'll show you how. So first of all, make sure you have your number that you made on the back. And get this paper that looks like this. And the first thing we need to do is put our name. I'm going to put Mrs. Rank. Okay, so now down here, you'll notice this looks very similar to a number tree. Yes, we just closed in the triangle. Okay, so what number did I make? Yep, I made 7. You guys are going to write the number that you made here. Don't put 7 unless you made 7. Okay, and then down here along these lines, we are going to put the number for the dots that we made. Okay, so I made 2 dark dots. And how many here? I can see 3 and 2 more, and I know that is 5. Okay, so now I'm going to use those to help me make equations. Okay, so let's start here. I have 2 dark dots and 5 light ones. And what did they make all together, friends? Yep, they made 7. So now what if I turn it around and I do my light dots first? I have 5. And then my dark ones. Yep, 2. And they made 7. So no matter which way we changed it, my number that it made never changed, right? I didn't turn it around and all of a sudden it was 8. So now we're going to come up with subtraction problems, right? So how many did I make? I made 7. Let's see. And what if I wanted to take some away? What if I took away the dark dots? How many dark dots did I have? Yep, I had 2. And how many were left? How many did you see? Yep. Then I open it back up. How many do I have? Yep, I have 7. Now I'm going to take away my light dots. And I had 5 light dots. How much did that leave me? Yep, 2. Nice job. Now you do it with your fact family that you worked hard on and your double flap card. Pause it if you need to. All right, on the back of your paper, you'll notice it says number story, okay? This is where we get to write a story about our double flap card. So let's see, I'm going to start with, I had 2 dark dots. I had 5 light dots. How many do I have altogether? Yep, I had 7 dots all together. There we go. There's my number story. The cool thing about this is there is room for you to glue your dot card on. So I can take it and glue my dot card on. And then I have my fact family, my fact triangle, and my story. Super fun. See you later.